Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix camera app crashing on the AutoMagic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the app cache and storage. So we're going to go over into settings and scroll down to apps. In the apps here, what are we going to do is click on manage apps right at the top and go to camera. Once you're in the camera, we're going to go over into storage. And here we have the cache, which is 2 megabytes for me. I'm going to clean it. And now the data, we're going to clean the data, which is 2.34 megabytes. Now we're going to go over, and what are we going to do next is simply check for software updates. Maybe that's also an issue. That's why we're still in the settings, scrolling down to system and updates almost at the bottom and clicking on software update, first option from the top. You want to make sure that you're on the latest version. If you're not, instead of check for updates here, you will see download and install. So it will be a download and install for the latest version. And after that, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and check the permissions. But we're going to do that once we open up the app, because right here we resetted the app. We can say that. We're going to click agree, and here you want to make sure that you give its permissions. I always use precise because it's my phone and I want to know where I took the picture. As you guys can see, now I can just lift the phone and take pictures. So it works just fine. And that's how you guys can basically fix your camera. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.